All right, we're going to look at how to find a book in the library's collection. The first thing you want to do is come to the library's website, and then you want to go to the global search box. If you know the title of a book you're looking for, you can click title, then type in the name of the title there. Or if you know the author's name, click author and type in the name of the author there. If you don't know either of those things, so you just want to find books on a particular topic, then stick with keyword and then type in the topic that you're wanting to learn more about. So I'll do global warming as an example, and I'll search that term. And now we see a list of items that the library has on this topic. I can see here that this very first thing that shows up is a book. And if I wanted to find this print book in the library, I would need to note this call number to locate it in the shelves of the library. If I can also click this text this to me button, and that put in my phone number. It will text me the call number and other information. If I want to find an ebook, I can go over here to the left, select ebook, include. Now all of my results are going to be ebooks, and in order to access an ebook, just click on this link, enter your Tarleton username and password, and the ebook will open for you.